Imagine you're working with version numbers, and you need to find the latest one. Sounds like a typical problem, right? Well, in this case, the current version you're looking for is 1.11.3. Now, you already have a solution in place, but you're curious if there's a more elegant way of tackling this. Let's dive into the details of your problem and propose solution. So, diving into the solution you found, it involves utilizing R's built-in function for version parsing, which is pretty handy. By using the numeric underscore version function, you can simply input your test dataset and find a maximum version number within it. It's as straightforward as that. The code snippet max numeric underscore version test does all the heavy lifting for you, returning 1.11.3 as the latest version number. It's a nifty trick to streamline the process without any complex manipulations. In summary, we've explored a common problem many face when dealing with version numbers and how to efficiently extract the latest version using R. By leveraging the numeric underscore version function, you can easily pinpoint the highest version within your dataset. So, next time you're in a similar predicament, remember this sleek solution to save yourself some time and effort. And with that, it's time to wrap up the video. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below. Who knows, you might just discover a new favorite or hack.